people, I'm doing this shooting after I don't know almost like a 2 month gap, I think, or more than that. Yeah, I think. Um, people, like I've spoken about before, there's this certain brand of cosmetics called Miracle Q. You know, they have this cute little stall in the basement of Inorbit Mall, and people, this particular shampoo. I mean, see, nice hair na. Uh, the most amazing thing about this shampoo, which is called In Harmony Handmade Daily Use Hair Wash, is that it is a two-in-one thing. As in, if you use this, you don't need an conditioner, as a separate thing. And people, I'll say this, yeah, with regard to my hair care, I'm very particular. Come what may, I comb my hair, 100 strokes a day. I remember my mom telling me this. My mom had lovely long waist length hair. I mean, I lost her 4 years ago, but to cancer. But she was a beautiful lady, and Sindhi. So Sindhis are a beautiful race, right? Good looking race. So so that's what I'm very particular about, combing my hair over 100 times. And when I use this thing, this particular shampoo, it's like the texture of my hair is such that after using this, I didn't need to comb it 100 times. Yeah, it just got this kind of gloss. And gloss, as in a healthy sort of, there are times that you feel that, because when you use some of these other shampoos, the hair becomes very dry. But this particular thing is, but I'll say this, yeah, when if you were to see the shampoo, you'll think, it, to be really honest, it looks a little like liquid jaggery or something. So you would be like, I mean, it's not sticky and all like that, but the when you look at it, it looks like that. But that itself proves that it has no parabens, no synthetic fragrances, and it has only natural oils as conditioners, and also no mineral oils, which is, again, all these manufactured things. See, normally I never make a video that is so long, but this I think is brilliant. So people, if you all care for your hair, you'll need to get this In Harmony Handmade Daily Hair Wash. And if you're in Hyderabad, you can find this in the basement, in this cute little stall at Inorbit Mall. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.